The way of learning. Today's topic is abbreviations exhibited for competitive exams. Common full forms. First one is UN. UN stands for United Nations. Second one is NATO. NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Third one is WHO. WHO stands for World Health Organization. Number 4, IMF. IMF stands for International Monetary Fund. Number 5, ASEAN. ASEAN stands for Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Number 6, PNR. PNR stands for Passenger Name Record. Number 7, APJ Abdul Kalam. Full form of APJ Abdul Kalam is Abul Pakir Joinal Abidin Abdul Kalam. Number 8, BMS. BMS stands for Bachelor of Management Studies. Number 9, APK. APK stands for Android Package. Number 10, CID. CID stands for Crime Investigation Department. Number 11, ISRO. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. Number 12, DRDO. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Number 13, NCERT. NCERT stands for National Council of Educational Research and Training. Number 14, CBI. CBI stands for Central Bureau of Investigation. Number 15, BHEL. BHEL stands for Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Number 16, SAIL. SAIL stands for Steel Authority of India Limited. Number 17, ATM. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. Number 18, NEFT. NEFT stands for National Electronic Funds Transfer. Number 19, RTGS. RTGS stands for Real Time Gross Settlement. Number 20, SWIFT. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Number 21, KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. Number 22, CVV. CVV stands for Card Security Code. Number 23, LIC. LIC stands for Life Insurance Corporation of India. Number 24, LIC HFL. LIC HFL stands for LIC Housing Finance Limited. Number 25, FUP in LIC. FUP in LIC stands for First Unpaid Premium. Number 26, RBI. RBI stands for Reserve Bank of India. Number 27, SEBI. SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. Number 28, FEMA. FEMA stands for Foreign Exchange Management Act. Number 29, NABARD. NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Number 30, PMJDY. PMJDY stands for Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Number 31, IBPS. IBPS stands for Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. Number 32, RRB NTPC. RRB NTPC stands for Railway Requirement Board Non-Technical Popular Categories. Number 33, UPPSC. UPPSC stands for Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission. Number 34, IIT. IIT stands for Indian Institutes of Technology. Number 35, IIM. IIM stands for Indian Institutes of Management. Number 36, CBSE. CBSE stands for Central Board of Secondary Education. Number 37, NEET. NEET stands for National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. Number 38, AIMS. AIMS stands for All India Institute of Medical Science. Number 44, Computer. Computer stands for Common Operating Machine, purposely used for technical and educational research. Number 45, HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Number 46, HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Number 47, IP. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Number 48, USB. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Number 49, VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Number 50, RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Number 51, ROM. ROM stands for Read Only Memory. Number 52, CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Number 53, SSD. SSD stands for Solid State Drive. Number 54, OS. OS stands for Operating System. Number 55, HIV. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. Number 56, AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Number 57, ICU. ICU stands for Intensive Care Unit. Number 58, MRI. MRI stands for Magnetic Resonance Imaging. Number 59, CT. CT stands for Computed Tomography. Number 60, RAW. RAW stands for Research and Analysis Wing. Number 61, CRPF. CRPF stands for Central Reserve Police Force. Number 62, BSF. BSF stands for Border Security Force. Number 63, NDA. NDA stands for National Defense Academy. Number 64, CDS. CDS stands for Chief of Defense Staff. Number 65, NSG. NSG stands for National Security Guard. Number 66, ATS. ATS stands for Anti-Terrorism Squad. Number 67, CISF. CISF stands for Central Industrial Security Force. Number 68, NIA. NIA stands for National Investigation Agency. Number 69, SPG. SPG stands for Special Protection Group. 79, NASA. NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Number 80, WHO. WHO stands for World Health Organization. Number 81, UNESCO. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Number 82, DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Number 83, RNA. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Number 84, UV. UV stands for ultraviolet. Number 85, LED. LED stands for light emitting diode. Number 86, FIFA. FIFA stands for Federation International de Football Association. Number 87, ICC. ICC stands for International Cricket Council. Number 88, BCCI. BCCI stands for Board of Control for Cricket in India. Number 89, IOC. IOC stands for International Olympic Committee. Number 90, IPL. IPL stands for Indian Premier League. 91, LBW. LBW stands for leg before wicket. Number 92, NBA. NBA stands for National Basketball Association. Number 93, NHL. NHL stands for National Hockey League. Number 94, WWE. WWE stands for World Wrestling Entertainment. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe the channel.